A good phone mount for your car is an essential accessory for any vehicle that doesn't include a built-in navigation system. Phone mounts provide a safe and simple way to make calls, get turn-by-turn directions, and use your phone's voice assistant. But some mounts work better with certain cars and phones than others. There are many products available to best car phone holder mount, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel to get new reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Please watch the video in full. Share more videos of the product so that everyone can benefit from seeing the reviews. Number 1. Ainop Car Phone Holder Mount. The easiest operation and just slide in and go. Just slide in your phone. Car phone holder mount clamps the phone automatically by gravity and provide the easiest operation and a strong stable hold without button to press. Easy to drop phone in and pick phone up with 2 fingers. Compared to old car holder, you no longer free hands to spend too much time in looking down to place phone while receding the navigation route. When getting off car in a hurry, just pick up phone and leave in seconds. Upgraded air vent hook. This car vent phone holder mount is designed as hook shape and form 3 grasp points which can firmly hook around the AC vent for no slippage or movement. It's solving the market's common problem of falling forward and off the air vent constantly when going over bumps or turns. Note, the length of clamp between 0.41-0.98 im. This phone holder only compatible with horizontal air vent. Number 2. Audi Easy One Touch 5 Dashboard and Windshield Universal Car Mount Phone Holder Desk Stand for iPhone. Easy One Touch mechanism. Press the locking side arms with a quick one-handed motion and place your phone against the trigger button. The mount's arms will close automatically, holding your device securely while you drive. Mount or remove your phone in seconds with the patented Easy One Touch mechanism. Wide compatibility. New larger Easy One Touch button with a universal cradle that fits smartphones and cases of any size. Magnetic cord organizer. Keep charging cables neatly organized with the magnetic tab located near the bottom foot. Number 3. Taurus Cell Phone Holder for Car. The 2022 enhanced Taurus cell phone holder for car passed the military-grade sturdiness test. Absolutely sturdier 20x than normal ones. The suction cup can withstand the temperature from -20-40 to 95 divided by. Also be reusable. You can stick it on your car dash or windshield. Also, you can get a sticky pad to protect your car dash. Completely friendly, hands-free and views adjustable. Release easily with one button, clamp fast with one hand. Play button. The car phone holder mount is suitable for all kinds of mobile phones with brand thick cases, battery cases, ring cases, and it is exceptionally sturdy to hold your phone tightly. Like iPhone C divided by 11 divided by 11 Pro divided by 11 Pro Max, XXS Max, XR divided by 8 Plus divided by 8 divided by 7 divided by 6 seconds Plus, Samsung Galaxy S21 divided by S20 divided by S20 Plus divided by S20 Ultra 5G divided by Note 20 over 10 Plus divided by 10 divided by 9 Plus divided by 9 divided by S10 divided by S9 divided by 8 Google Pixel 3a divided by 4XL, LG V20, OnePlus and more. Number 4. Lancaster Car Phone Holder. Car Phone Mount Silicone Car Pad Mat for various dashboards. Widely compatibility. The dashboard cell phone holder is suitable for most kinds of cell phones or GPS devices which are between 6 to 12 mm thick, including iPhone 11 over 11 Pro divided by 11 Pro Max, XR, XS, XS Max, X divided by 8 divided by 8 Plus divided by 7 divided by 7 Plus divided by 6 seconds divided by 6 seconds Plus divided by 6 divided by 6 Plus divided by 5C divided by 5 seconds divided by 5 divided by 4 seconds. Samsung Galaxy Note 8 divided by 9 divided by 10 divided by 10 Pro divided by 20 Ultra. S20 divided by S8 divided by 9 divided by 10. S20 Plus divided by 8 Plus divided by 9 Plus divided by 10 Plus. S7 Edge, Nexus, Pixel, LG, HTC, iPad, Huawei, My, Garmin and so on. Stable and slip-free, dependence on its soft silicone textured bottom and sticky pads. It can protect phone against bumping, scratching or flying out whenever there is an emergency braking, sudden stop and sharp turn. Washable and reusable. The bottom of the car phone holder is made from high-tech adhesives. Just rinse with water and dry it. It will be the same as the new one. LISEN phone holder for car universal cell phone holder car. Expert holder for air vent. Our master car vent phone mount with non-blocking function is designed to create the perfect mood for every driver's experience. With extension arm and free angle adjustment, they can create a comfortable ambience or a vivid, bright and refreshing driving atmosphere, which suits your car best. More stable, less blocking. LISEN brand laboratory has upgraded this phone mount for car from 3 directions. 1 upgrade extension arm to protect your phone overheating crash. 2 cell phone holder for car mount with most stable steel hook. 3 cell phone car holder that has the most strong clamping force, which up to 48 lb. LISEN provides at least 1 year of user service.